I'm Ben Brown, and this is How to Play Pancho and Lefty by Willie Nelson and Townes Van Zandt, especially for Joni. We'll start at the top with all the chords like usual. For a D chord, you're going to put your first finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger plays the 1st string, also on the 2nd fret. And your ring finger goes in between them on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And you're going to play 4 strings. Next chord is A. You're going to push down the 4th string on the 2nd fret, the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and the 2nd string on the 2nd fret. Start with the 5th string. Now if you want to, you can play it single finger. You just leave out the high E. The G chord, you're going to let your first finger hang. Your middle finger goes on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger goes on the 6th string, 3rd fret. And your pinky curls up and plays the 1st string on the 3rd fret. Play all 6. Skipping on down to Joni's favorite chord, the B minor, you're going to put your first finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Middle finger goes on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Ring finger reaches over and plays the 4th string, 4th fret. And of course the 3rd string, 3rd fret. And you're just going to play the 4 fingers that you've got your strings on. The 4 strings that you've got your fingers on. Paid back for that one real fast, didn't I, Joni? On to the rhythm. Your steady beat is just going to be a nice 8th note, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Because it's a bandit song, we want it to have a nice rolling, traveling feel to it. So you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 for most of it. Now because you're keeping the rhythm going, if you hit a couple of extra ones, which you will, it'll sound just fine. Now the opening riff, it's not nearly as hard as it sounds because it's based on patterns, and you're going to have a nice D pedal going the whole time. That just means you're going to play that open D chord, just let it ring and hit it every now and then. Put your first finger on the 10th fret, first 3 strings. Make sure you're playing all of them very nicely. Now put your middle finger on the 3rd string, 11th fret, and you got the first chord. Throw in the D. Now slide both fingers down, remember down pitch-wise, 1 fret, so your first finger is on the 9th fret and your middle finger is on the 10th. Move your middle finger over to the 2nd string. You've got the 2nd chords. Slide it down 2 more frets, back up, back down. Now here's the first difficult part. You're going to slide your first finger all the way down to the 5th fret, same 3 strings. Your middle finger rests for a second. Your ring finger is going to go on the 3rd string, 7th fret. And you're going to hammer on with your pinky on the 2nd string, 7th fret. Or play it twice either way. From there, you're going to keep sliding down. 3rd fret, same deal. Your first finger goes all the way across the first 3 strings on the 3rd fret. Middle finger is going to play the 3rd string on the 4th fret. Down to a D chord, but you're going to finger it again, leaving your first finger across all 3. Just because you're going to slide back up and back down. Same hammer on, different finger. Middle finger is going to hammer on, playing a D chord like normal, like I just showed you. You can either hammer it on or get it on the upstroke. Walking through the whole thing slow, go up to the 10th fret. Then you repeat it. Tempo steady and stay in a groove, keep moving your right hand in a steady beat. You'll notice a lot of the articulations are on the upstroke, so instead of trying to guess, this will keep you right in rhythm. Still might miss a note or two. Don't forget to check the links below this for a chord chart to this song, a play-along video, as well as other songs that you might like to learn. Below all that, there's a big gray area that's for your questions. If you didn't understand something, it's probably my fault. Please feel free to ask questions. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Pancho and Lefty by Willie Nelson and Townes Van Zandt. Thank you for watching.